Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. If you could go back to 1969 and order the most ultimate 69 Chevelle, this is it right here. It's an L78 375 horse big block with a 4-speed loaded up with options, and it is restored better than the day it left the factory. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can look at over 100 photos, read all the specs, get the price on this car and a few hundred other collector cars that are all for sale at volocars.com. If you enjoyed the videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. You'll be the first to see the videos as they're done. But right now, top is down. Join me for a spin in this big block 4-speed convertible. Amazing restoration. This is part of a Chevelle collection. Body's been off the frame. You need to check out the underside pictures. It's painted in the red oxide primer floors like factory did, but then they put a clear coat over it so it stays durable and shiny. And every component, the frame and nuts and bolts and hardware underneath this car is like brand new. It's got a Muncie 4-speed, disc brakes in front. It's got the F41 suspension package, which is sway bars, control arm, box control arms. The body is amazing. Car's been restored for about 5 years, and there is no cracking or shrinking or anything going on that I can see. The paint's beautiful. I say it's better than it left the factory because it's polished out like glass. Got the white SS stripe, reproduction Polyglass tires. The wheels are either new or fully restored, but even up in the wheel well, it's all painted. Every piece of trim, the marker lights, the moldings, the window seals, all of this stuff is new. The glass is new, emblems. Yeah, beautiful, but better than new outside. The grille is excellent. Has reproduction T3 headlights with the little triangle in the middle. The correct antenna. Let me open the hood as it swings around. This is an L78 motor. The numbers on the front of the engine do match the car. So that's a potent engine. It's got the big square port heads, factory aluminum intake. It's 11-to-1 compression, solid lifters. They actually rated this at 425 horsepower is what the articles say. And everything in here is spotless. It has the crayon markings on the firewall, the right stickers, the right hoses, the right clamps, the spring clamp battery cables, deep groove pulleys. As it revved so high, the belts would fly off. So they gave it deep groove pulleys from the factory. Cadmium plated power brake booster. Also has power steering. The door jambs painted beautifully. It's all clean. All of this is brand new. Everything is new. Door panels, armrests, the vents, dash pad, the center console has the right Muncie shifter. Rosewood wheel on a deluxe, on a tilt column. It's got either new or restored GM seat belts. The light works at the back of the console. Trunk compartment's also spotless, all nice metal, neatly spatter painted, matching SS wheel and reproduction tire. The jack is either new or restored, still wrapped in bubble wrap. Painted beautifully. It's got the stickers, new weather strip, new well liner. This has the gauge cluster, the tachometer, has the clock, power top. It has a retro stereo. It fits right in the factory hole with an auxiliary plug hanging down below. But kick panels, the knobs, everything, sill plates, everything is done in this car. You really should go to the website too and check out the pictures closely. All the wiring, every part on this car looks like new. The cushions in the seats, I just sat in here and they feel new. that's a factory optional chambered exhaust. There's no mufflers, it's just crimped pipes. That was an option in the high performance cars back then. Even the key buzzer works, the wiper motor's new. I mean, the car is new. There is only, less than 100, 90-something miles on it since it's been restored about 5 years ago. It was in a Chevelle, very prestigious Chevelle collection. So here's the ultimate 69 Chevelle convertible, even red on red. You couldn't go back and order a better one. So here it is. It's available right now. Turnkey, ready to show, ready for go. Visit volocars.com. Plenty of ways on there to contact our staff. They'll help answer any of your concerns or questions about this car, about the delivery, about the financing. We're here to help you. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be the first to see the next video that comes out. Thanks for watching.